So how do you delete your search history on the Android phone? Well, it kind of depends on which app or service you used to search for things because they all have their own like search history. For example, the Facebook, if you go ahead and click on the search bar right there, you can see that the history is there, like the recent things which I was searching for are part of Facebook. So I can click on see all and then clear all, right? And this is clearing all of the searches, but only on Facebook. So you have to kind of go through all of the apps like that. Is the same thing for Instagram, but obviously if you check out the Google Chrome, a lot of people use that, right? So whenever you are on Chrome, you can tap on the three dots and essentially delete the browsing data. Make sure you set it for the correct time period, perhaps choose it all time if you wish, and this will basically just turn it off and delete it completely, right? So every single thing will be deleted like that. You just delete it, and then the search history, the browsing history is now gone. Keep in mind that there is another web browser. For example, for me, there is the Samsung Internet. And there, again, there is a history which can be deleted or managed right there. So it is, of course, important to go through all of the apps, but usually the searches that you do perform are stored somewhere, and this is how you can basically just delete it. So let me know below in the comments if you have something very specific that you want to fix or change, because perhaps I'll make an updated video just about that. So make sure to let me know about it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.